students. This is the sixth part of our fourth lesson, Big Data, Big Insights. So, open your books, page number 38. On this page number, point number 4, banking, finance and trading. From this point, we are going to start today. Now listen carefully. Banking, finance and trading. What is the meaning of trading? Look at the board. Trading, it means business of buying and selling. So in this point we are going to learn how big data is important or useful for banking, for financial sectors or for the trading, buying or selling anything. With the big data, analytic it is related to analysis. An analysis, it means the detailed examination of something or the process of separating something, that is called analysis. With the big data analytics, the investment pattern of the people can be studied. So, with the help of the big data or with the help of big data analysis, the separation of information, in that there must be the pattern of people, investment pattern of people, how any person is investing his money, where he is investing his money. This kind of information, these companies, banking, financial or trading companies, get this kind of information through big data. New insights have enable it means make able the banks and finance companies to come with a suitable plan. So, if these companies get data about the persons, about any person's personal investment, so those company make particular plan for that person, and according to that plan, they get benefit from that person. Big data has enabled smooth functioning of these agencies and institutions. Function, it means action. So, with the help of the big data, these big companies or agencies, institutions, making use of all these big data, they are working, they are doing action smoothly, and that big data makes or make able them to work very smoothly. Banking and finance sector is using big data to predict. Predict, it means state or tell the future events. Predict and prevent. Prevent, it means stop. Cyber crimes. Cyber, it means related to information technology or the internet. Banking and finance sector is using big data to predict the prevent cybercrime, card fraud detection. Detection, it means search. Detection, archival. Archival, it means documents or records. Archival of audit trials. Audit it means audit. Audit it means to examine accounts officially. Audit trials etc. So banking and finance sectors is using big data. Why? To predict and prevent cybercrime. If there could be or maybe going to happen any kind of cybercrime, cyber it means related to internet or information technology, that crime is going to happen. So with the help of big data, these banking sectors or financial sector could predict, tell the future event that at that time this kind of cybercrime will happen or going to happen. And card fraud detection. If any card, MasterCard, is any person is using, that person is a fraud person or that card is a fraud card, this kind of identification detection could be done with the help of big data. And archival of audit trials, and there are many collection of historical documents or records. So those documents and records auditing, it means examination of accounts officially, that way how or which way that institution could select for examination of these historical documents or record, that can be also decided with the help of big data. By analyzing the past data of their customers and the data of a previous brute force attack. Brute force attack, it means the meaning of that word is given here, that word phrase is given here. A cyber attack that relies on guessing all possible combination of the targeted password until the right one is found. So here we are getting information by analyzing the past data of their customer and the data of previous brute force attack, bank can predict future attempts. So every bank have or has data of their customers. So how their older customers or past customers and how the new joining customers are, banks get every data about their customer, and therefore they could tell that in future some kind of cyber attack going to happen or any customer could attempt to do this kind of activity in future. This kind of prediction bank could do. Big data not only help in predicting cybercrime, it also help in handling issues related to missed transaction. Missed transaction, it means wrong transaction. Transaction, it means the meaning of transaction is given here, an exchange or transfer of funds. Anyone is transferring his fund from one account to another account, from my account to another person's account. So that is called transaction of money. So if there is any kind of missed transaction, so that missed transaction could be stopped with the help of the big data. Cyber attack could be stopped with the help of big data, or if the cyber attack cannot be stopped, but the bank would predict, tell or state that in future that time there could be cyber attack, there could happen cyber attack on our bank or in any financial institute. And failures in net banking, it can even predict possible spikes or on servers. Server, it means a big computer, so that banks can manage transaction accordingly. Accordingly, it means appropriately. So here we get information. It can even predict a possible spikes on server, so that bank can manage transactions accordingly. So with the help of big data, any bank can state that in future on a server there could be going to be any kind of attack, or there could be that server, how that server big computer going to manage the transaction of all the customer. This kind of help bank or financial sectors or trading companies getting with the help of big data. So students, here we are going to stop today. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.